Hi, welcome to Chris and Jonathan's Tech Show. Today, we're going to figure out how to fix the red ring of death. For this, you're going to need a few items. A hammer, a half brown banana, strike anywhere matches, our special formula that you can buy for $5.99, a compound bow, a BB gun, and some artillery shells. So this should take about 3 steps, and we'll meet you out on where we're going to do the experiment for you. For the first step, you're going to take your half brown banana, peel it to about a little farther than halfway, take a bite. Sorry, that was a little too much. Sorry for my younger viewers. Take the other half. Here comes the plane, Johnny. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Come on! Come on! Alright, now once the Xbox has accepted the banana, we can go to our second step. Anyway, for our second step, you're going to take your Winchester 5000, cock it. Sorry. Cock it once, make sure that it fires. Yep. Cock it again. Back up from the Xbox and make sure that you have a hand pointing right here and fire. Alright, do it one more time. Alright, so now we're going to check to see if the Xbox turns on before we move on to our next steps in case. Still not working. Alright, so this gun was a little weak. We weren't able to penetrate the shell of the Xbox, so we're gonna have to use something a little bit stronger. So let's get rid of this crap. So we're gonna use the Winchester 2000. Make sure that you have safety goggles just in case something goes wrong. So let me put these on real quick. Can't forget my hat. That's the most important part. Safety for the top of the head. You never know where this pellet's gonna go. All right. Never point this at your eyes unless you have safety goggles on, then it's fine. So you're gonna point the gun at the Xbox and fire. Oh, make sure that the safety is off indeed. Now, watch as I fire. And I think we did penetrate, but just to be safe, we are going to shoot at least 2 more times. Oh! Come on! Okay. Alright, we are going to shoot 2 more times to be safe. Excuse my voice crack. Oh! Ooh! That's looking good. It's almost fixed, guys. It's almost fixed. One more shot. Make sure I get it in there correctly. Just lost the bullet. Sorry. Alright, last shot. Here we go. Okay, that's looking great. Oh, it's almost like a brand new Xbox 360, guys. Alright, well, we'll get back with you this next step. Hang tight. Alright, so now we are on to our next step. We're going to use our special spray that you can pick up for $5.99 at any Dollar General or Walmart. This is going to weaken the shell of the Xbox, so just spray it around until it's nice and wet. Now that's nice. Okay. Now wait about 15 seconds. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we're gonna go on to our next step. Now gently hit it with the hammer. Oh, that's looking nice, guys. All right, now this next step we're gonna have to go out in the field, but I mean, oh, that sounds brand new, guys. Listen to that. That sounds brand new. So we'll get to this next step, and this is gonna be working right like brand new. All right, guys. So this is my favorite part. So you're probably wondering when we're gonna use the bow. The bow is actually useless. You can just set this back here to look cool for your channel. All right, for the next step, we're gonna be putting the mortars in the Xbox. But actually, we're not putting mortars in, we're only placing one in. So you guys can just get rid of these. All you need is Big Daddy. So you're gonna take Big Daddy and place him inside the Xbox. It ain't better than the last Xbox. Ugh. Okay, just like that. And we're gonna light him, and this Xbox is gonna be working like brand new. Okay, so my lab partner Jonathan is going to pour our special formula around the Xbox. Nice and gently, he'll do it. We calculated this formula for about 2 years, so hopefully it should work. It has worked on other Xboxes before. That's perfect. That is perfect. Oh, beautiful. Oh goodness, don't get some on my shoe, please don't. Thank you. Oh, that's good. That is good stuff right there. All right, well, here it goes, guys. This is how the last part. And oh my goodness, you calculated wrong, Jonathan. You forgot to divide by 2. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jonathan. Jonathan, I hate you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, okay. All right, guys, so that last step went perfectly. The Xbox looks brand new. We just need one more step, and then we can plug it in and see if it works. We're gonna use our different formula that you can buy for $4.99. Just spray it around a little bit. This is gonna give it like a nice glossy look. Perfect. All right, guys. It looks perfect. I think it should work. Let's plug it in and find out. So plug it back here, and then we're gonna plug it in and oh.